Open the door of the electric cabinet. Switch on the circuit breaker and switch on the control switch. When the green and yellow lights are on, the freeze sequence is correct. Then close the electric cabinet. Next, open the oil inlet valve and open the oil outlet valve. Here we can see the auto and the manual switch. We choose the auto start. Observe the vacuum gauge and observe the vacuum chamber. Next, observe the level of the oil. Now we choose the manual model. Choose the manual operation interface, start vacuum pump, and observe the vacuum gauge and the vacuum chamber. Observe the oil level. When the oil level exceeds half, start the oil outlet pump and start the heater. The above are two ways to operate the oil purifier.